My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that comes from the site Smart.cleanuppc.xyz. Smart.cleanuppc.xyz is a deceptive and tricky site. Its real mission is to force people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The pop-up Smart.cleanuppc.xyz claims to be Windows security recommendation, but the reality is that this pop-up is not related to Windows. It's a fake alert. And the purpose of this pop-up is to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Some potentially unwanted application that may do more damage than actually help. So don't interact with these fake alerts. By the way, they may be the trace of certain adware active in your computer. You may see some of these ads attacking your screen periodically in the right part of the screen. So they may also generate these scary alerts by Smart.cleanuppc.xyz. To fix the issue, we recommend you to do it automatically with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. Combo Cleaner works very well in terms of detecting and deleting adware type threats, unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, and more serious malware. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner using this green download button, install the application, and then start carefully researching and investigating your system to identify and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.